The way it works is that it locks in the homeowner for a fixed rate with no higher energy bills for 20 to 25 years. That's amazing. So basically you can leave your AC on, your heat on forever, and it's the same bill every single month without worrying about anything. My name is Josh Cooperstein. I am the team leader for Silverline Solar for the Nevada and Las Vegas market. I strongly believe Silverline is better than other companies out there. The reason why is that we go above and beyond for the customer. If they need a lower price or more panels, less panels, if they have a request, we will do everything we can to make that happen for the customer. Currently, our services are available in Las Vegas and Nevada, as well as California, and our goal is to be worldwide. My goal with Silverline is to help homeowners save a lot of money and go green doing it.